Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Invoices plugin access management. The access management feature means that the options and possibilities for the invoices could be granted for non-admin users. So I'm just going to show you step by step so you will see and you will know how it will work. Okay, so currently I'm logged in into this Redmine as admin. So I'm administrator here. And for this purpose, I'm going to create a new user. And I go to administration here on the top right corner and then click on users and then create a new user. Okay. So I'm going to name this user, for example, Neo from the Matrix. And yeah, his name could be yeah, the name of Neo in the Matrix is Thomas Anderson. Okay, Thomas Anderson, and the email could be neomatrix.com. Okay, so we put some password here. Okay, and create this user. All right, so we have to add projects for Neo, so Neo could operate as a user to some projects. And I'm going, I'm sorry about that. I'm going to add the invoices project, and Neo could be the role as reporter. Okay, so I add him. Sorry. So currently, yeah, I'm into this Redmine as admin. Now I'm going in another browser and sign in Redmine, but this time it will be with Neo. Okay, so Neo from the Matrix, and yeah, we put the password. Okay. So currently we are logged in as Neo from the Matrix. Now I go to the Invoices project. So I go to Projects and then Invoices, and then I have I'm sorry about that. I have couple of options here. So I have activities, issues, and contacts, and there is no invoices because Neo has no opportunity and no option for seeing the invoices. So I return back to the Redmine where I'm administrator, and now I'm going to use the access management feature. So I'm going to grant Neo some permissions about invoices. So for this purpose, I go again to administration here on the top right corner and then go to roles and permissions and select the reporter role. So this is the role of Neo in that project. So I click on reporter, and when I scroll down, I see the invoices permissions here. So as we can see, they are all disabled. So Neo with this role as reporter has no permissions at all for invoices. Okay, and just for information, um, there is one more option for the invoices. It is here on the finances. This is it, manage operation invoices. Just for information for you. Okay, so let's firstly just grant Neo some view invoices permission. So I click here and just go down and click on save. Okay, so I return back to Neo and just refresh the page. So here I'm Neo. I refresh the page and I see that the invoices has just appeared here, so I'm able to see the invoices now. So I open this invoice and yeah, this is it. I have no other options. I mean, I have see it as a public link and also download it as PDF, make some reports and create a new order. So these are the available options now. Okay, so let's return back to the admin guy. So the admin again opens the reporter role, and now we are going to grant some more permissions for him, for Neo. So we search for invoices. Here it is. So now we add permission as add invoices. Okay, so if we return back here to the list, we do not see any new invoice button. Okay, so if we add this for Neo, so we add invoices here as a permission and save the changes, return back, refresh our page, and see that new invoices button is appearing here. So Neo is now not only able to see the invoices but also to create invoices. So click new, and yeah, we put some predefined options here. Okay, add some product, for example, help desk, and okay, we put some subject test. Also, we could put here some test as well. Okay, so we save the changes and see that the invoice is successfully created via Neo. So this is it, invoice test. Okay, so Neo is now able to create invoices. Okay, but we see that when open an invoice, uh, we could just create it. However, we could not do anything. We could not edit this invoice. For example, if we have done some mistake and now we cannot fix the mistake, all right? So we'll return back as administrator, click on reporter, scroll down to invoices, and see that um, find the invoices and click on edit invoices option here. Okay, so we scroll down, save the changes, and okay, refresh our page and see that the edit button has just appeared here. All right, so now I'm able to edit this invoice. Okay, so I click edit, and for example, change the currency to be euro. Okay, euro. And other command, we have changed the currency to be euro. Okay, we save and see that yeah, everything is now in euro, and yeah, we have some description here that we have just typed it, and that's it. Okay, but what if this invoice is no more needed and we need to delete it? Okay, so there is no button for deleting it, and we return back to the admin, click again the reporter role, scroll down to the invoices, and see that there is an option delete invoices. Okay, um, okay, so we enable this and return back and refresh again our page and see that the options here we have delete now. Okay, so we could delete this test invoice as we no more need it. Okay. Okay. Other useful option could be to save a query. This means that if you filter the invoices in some way, you could save this filtering and just access it with one link afterward. Okay, how to do it? So let's go back here as administrator and scroll down to invoices for the roles and permissions about this user and his particular role of reporter, and enable the save invoices query. Okay, so we click save invoices query and return back, and we see here a save button. So this means that, for example, I could put currency to be euro and click on apply. So I list all the invoices that are with euro, and yeah, that's it. So I save this query and name it euro invoices. Okay, I save, and for example, clear this. Yeah, go somewhere else to the contacts, return back, and see that these are some random invoices here. And if I would like to just list the euro invoices, I could do it with one click. It is with the saved query. Okay, it is on the right corner here, right sidebar, and this is it, my custom queries. Okay, so euro invoices, I click here, and yeah, I list the euro invoices just with one click. Okay. Okay, so if I open the invoice again, I see that I cannot add commands. Okay, we could fix that in one moment. We go back to the administrator and open the reporter again, scroll down to the invoices and see that there is command invoices. Okay, so command invoices, save the changes, return back to Neo and refresh the page. So we see add command button here. And we are currently able to add a command. Yay. Okay, so we add this line here and yeah, okay. Another useful option for these roles and permissions options is that you could just a second please, you could send emails. This is very useful. Okay, sending emails, so we enable this and return back to Neo, refresh the page and see that we got a new option here, send and an envelope. So when this invoice is ready, and you could send it directly to a client via clicking on this button here. So you put the email here and yeah, you just send this invoice to a client via email. So this is very, very convenient and good option and very useful option for you. Okay, so yeah, this was actually the most famous options from the roles and permissions and access management of the invoices. If you wish, of course, you could try out the other options for for the invoices. So edit your own invoices, edit payments, and so on. You could import invoices as well. You could export them as a list and then import them again. And yeah, it is based on your needs and yeah, on your specific needs. What would you like the group of specific users to do or to not do with the invoices? So you're the administrator, you have to select what they are going to see, add, delete, and so on. So it is up to you as administrator. This is very flexible option and very useful for different kind of departments into your company, what they do and what they do not do. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was good for you. Of course, if you like it, you could check other videos in our YouTube channel. You could subscribe if you wish. You could like, thumb up, share the video. Also, you could check our site, redmineup.com. There are articles with a lot of explanation and screenshots and pictures. And if you have some questions or problems, or if you would like to just say hi to RedmineUp, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and bye bye for now.